Hello, second graders, and welcome to my Google Classroom Introduction to Place Value Set Sail with Miss Gales. So I wanted to take a couple minutes to introduce you to Google Classroom itself, since many of you have never used this before. Now, your parents have all been contacted already to help you and support you with any questions that you have. But first, I wanted to start with this main home page called the stream. Now you're going to see our introduction here, and then right here on the left is our class code. If you ever get logged out, you need to log back in. This is the class code. I have control in inviting you all as well to my Google Classroom. Now, the stream is here for us to post any questions that we have. Now, I really want you to remember the stream is only for questions about specific assignments. When you post a question, your classmates can see the question, they can respond and help you. So we shouldn't necessarily be posting, "Hi everybody, how are you today? I just went skateboarding. What about you?" There will be assignments for us to be able to do that. So please hold off from doing that for now. Now, I already have a stream question here. It says, please use this area to post any questions that you may have on an assignment. So if you have a question, you're going to click this box, and you are going to type what your question is and click this little arrow here to post it. Now your classmates will be able to see, I will be able to see, and whoever sees it first can then help you out and tell you what to do. Now your parents are also wonderful people to also ask for help. Now, Classwork Tab. So you're going to see two modules, the Introductions and Module 1, Place Value Blocks. Now you're going to start with the introductions, and you're going to simply click read, and then it'll tell you what to do. Okay, and there will be a feature. See here it says 2 people turned this in. So there will be a feature at the bottom for you to press turn in when you have completed the assignment. Now some assignments have videos. The nice thing is you just click right on them and they pop up directly. So you do not have to worry about searching for anything. Oops, let's get out of here. Okay, so again, please read carefully, because at the bottom it says what specifically I want you to do, post a response. Okay, and to make this go away so that you can see the next step, you just simply click on the box. Okay, now this is where this video lives. How do we use Google Classroom? You can always come back to this if you have any questions, and I will be adding into this section when we have new assignments, so please check back here. Now this is our first module. Again, just click, you'll read through, and everything should be assigned for you. You'll click on the document, it'll bring you right up to what you are to complete. The good thing about Google Docs and all of the Google features, everything saves, so you don't have to worry about pressing save. You don't have to press share. All you have to do is type your answer and close out the tab. And then you just have to remember to turn it in. Okay? Perfect. Now, the other thing too is you'll be able to check your grades. Okay, so the People tab gives me an idea of who, so all of you will be listed here, and then you'll be able to track and keep score of how you are doing in the class. So, I hope that you learned a little bit about Google Classroom today. This is just the introduction. I look forward to teaching you more about Google Classroom and all the wonderful things that we can do this year together. I will see you very shortly. With love, Miss Gales.